AI is getting smarter every day. But here's the uncomfortable question. Are you? Everywhere you look, there's the same fear. AI will take our jobs. Students won't need to study. Professionals will become replaceable. But here's the truth no one is telling you. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces people who don't know how to work with it. And quietly, without announcements or headlines, a new divide is forming. On one side, people who feel threatened by AI. On the other, people who use AI as a multiplier. Today I'm going to show you 5 practical AI hacks that don't require coding, don't require technical background, and don't turn you into a robot. These hacks do one thing very clearly. They make you harder to replace. As a student, a professional, or a thinker. Hack 1. Use AI as a thinking partner, not a shortcut. Most people use AI the wrong way. They ask it for answers. They copy-paste. They stop thinking. That makes them weaker. Smart users do the opposite. They use AI to clarify thinking, not avoid it. Here's how. Instead of asking, "Give me the answer," ask, "Challenge my thinking." Point out flaws in my logic. Explain this like I'm new to the topic. When you do this, AI becomes a mirror for your mind. Students understand concepts better. Professionals make sharper decisions. Parents explain things more clearly. People who think well are never replaced. Tools just amplify them. Hack 2. Turn AI into a personal skill coach. Here's something powerful. AI doesn't just know information. It can help you practice skills. Communication, problem solving, decision making. For example, if you're a student, you can say, "Ask me questions to test my understanding of this chapter." If you're a professional, "Act like my manager and give feedback on this idea." If you're preparing for interviews or presentations, role-play tough questions and evaluate my responses. This is deliberate practice. And people who practice better, not longer, grow faster than everyone else. Hack 3. Use AI to save time, then invest it in thinking. This is where AI gives you an unfair advantage. Use it to eliminate low-value effort. Summarize long documents. Create first drafts. Organize information. Convert ideas into structure. But here's the rule. Never outsource judgment. AI can save time. Only you can decide what matters. When you use AI to reduce mental clutter, you free up energy for creativity, strategy, and learning. That combination, speed plus thinking, is rare. And rare skills are irreplaceable. Hack 4. Ask better questions. This is the real skill. Most people think AI skill is about prompts. It's not. It's about questions. People who ask shallow questions get generic answers. People who ask deep questions get powerful insights. Instead of, "Explain this topic," ask, "What are the common misunderstandings about this topic? How does this connect to real-life decisions? What would an expert focus on here?" The ability to ask good questions is a human advantage. AI simply rewards it. Hack 5. Build human skills. AI can't replace. This is the most important hack. AI can process data. It cannot replace. Emotional intelligence, ethics, judgment, responsibility, trust. Use AI to strengthen these, not ignore them. For example, use AI to understand perspectives, not argue louder. Use it to prepare difficult conversations. Use it to reflect, not react. People trust people who think clearly, communicate calmly, and act responsibly. That trust is irreplaceable. Common mistake to avoid. Here's the trap. Using AI to avoid effort today creates weakness tomorrow. Using AI to improve effort creates strength for life. AI should not replace your brain. It should sharpen it. If this video helped you see AI differently, not as a threat, but as a tool, then this is exactly what Future Ready Teens is about. This channel helps you build skills that last. Critical thinking, adaptability, focus, and resilience. So you stay relevant no matter how fast the world changes. Subscribe to Future Ready Teens. Because the future doesn't belong to the smartest machines, it belongs to the people who know how to think with them. And tell me in the comments, which AI hack will you start using today? And remember this, AI is not here to replace you. It's here to expose who is growing and who is standing still. Use it wisely, think deeply, and make yourself impossible to ignore.